my channel, Car DIY Repair. As you can tell, I'm all sunburned, so it's that time of year again, summertime. So I'm going to be doing air conditioning top up, and the cheapest and best way to do it yourself at home. So first thing we need to do is give it a thumbs up, subscribe, let's get stuck in. Just before we get stuck into this job, I just want to say about this here is quite a lot in the bottle, just so you wouldn't even think it. I'm going to get this car done easily, and I'm going to get maybe another two, maybe 3 times using this. So there's really a lot in it, maybe four times I could top up my car. So there's a good few years in using this for the one car. It's good stuff. I'm not getting any money from this company whatsoever. I'm not endorsing them because it's just what I got from my local motor factors. And I don't get paid by anyone for doing these things. I'm just doing them to help everybody out so people can do these things themselves. So please give it a subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and let's get stuck in. What we need to do is we need to find the low fitting, which is this one here. So we take this off here now. First of all, we'll take this off like this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the engine, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so the next thing is start the car up. Perfect job. Air conditioning full blast, air conditioning on, and make sure the recirculation button is on. So we go back outside. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fit this to the low connection, and it'll tell me where I am in this. So we push it in and click. There we go. As we can see, I'm low. So the next thing I need to do is connect the bottle onto the trigger. So I'll just remove it. It's really quite simple to remove it. You just pull it up, push it. You pull it up to remove it, and then you push it down to connect it. So we're going to connect the bottle. Okay, so we're going to connect the bottle now. So wear gloves, important, safety. And you just twist the trigger on like so. And that's it, nice and tight there. Now we can see the gauge here. There's four readings on it: low, filled, alert, and warning. When it's in the low, that just basically means you need to top it up. And then obviously when it's filled, alert and warning, you need to bring it to get it looked at with someone, a specialist. So let's go, and when I'm doing this now, what I need to do is, when I connect this, I'm going to shake the bottle, give it a good shaking. And it's under 15-second blast. So it says push to engage, just simply engage. Now, so I'm going to shake it and then squeeze. Shake 15 seconds. Shake it. 15 seconds. Shake it. 15 seconds. Roughly. Now, that's it. It says it's filled on this. Once it comes to any part from the green, I'm happy with that. So let me just disconnect it off the bottle. I'm going to check it now to make sure that it's in the green. It's it in. Now it's just showing that it's right on the fill. We'll just check it out to see if she holds. Very nice. Now I don't have a temperature here, a thermometer here, but believe me, that is lovely and cold. Absolutely delicious. It's really quite simple to do this. There you go. Cold, lovely. So here we go, there we go, that's it. It's really as simple as that. Now disconnecting this, I just pull it off, disconnect it. And then put the lid back on, the low cap back onto that. And simple as this. The stuff I used here is AC Pro, and it's R134A. That's the stuff we need. And if we look here, 134A. So that's what we want. That's what we've got. So this is a pretty simple video here now. It only took me a few minutes to do that, and it'll only take you a few minutes to do it. So hope this video is helpful to you, and